Hi, Assalamualaikum, Ni Hao, Vanakkam. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad Noh from class 9. Today, I would like to present about Calvin cycle. From this topic, we will be able, first, to recognize the process of light independent reaction. Second, to describe the Calvin cycle. Third, to define carbon fixation. And then, explain how photosynthesis works in the energy cycle of all living organisms. So in Calvin cycle, where does the carbon come from? The answer is, the carbon atoms used to build carbohydrate molecules comes from carbon dioxide, the gas the animals exhale with each breath. So, the Calvin cycle is the term used for the reaction of photosynthesis that use the energy stored by the light-dependent reactions to form glucose and other carbohydrate molecules. First of all, I want to discuss about the light-independent reactions of photosynthesis. These light-independent reactions need energy and reducing agent that we get from light reactions. From light reactions, we get ADP as well as NADPH. ATP uses the energy, and NADPH acts as reducing agent in light-independent reaction. This reaction occurs through a cycle of reaction, what we call as Calvin cycle. Okay, what is Calvin cycle? From the slide, Calvin cycle is divided into 4 phases. The first phase is carbon fixation, which is preceded by reduction phase, then the regeneration phase, and finally we have product synthesis. In carbon fixation, RBP, that is ribulose bisphosphate, occurs by carbon dioxide molecule. So, we know it occurs by this RBP molecule. This method, plants use to attach carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to a chemical, that is RBP, in order to start the process of photosynthesis. ATP and NADPH use their stored energy to convert the 3-carbon compound, 3-PGA, into another 3-carbon compound called G3P. This type of reaction is called a reduction reaction because it involves the gain of electrons. A reduction is the gain of an electron by an atom or molecule. The molecules of ADP and NAD+, resulting from the reduction reaction, return to the light-dependent reaction to be re-energized. For the next phase, interestingly, at this point, only one of the G3P molecules leaves the Calvin cycle to contribute to the formation of other compounds needed by the organism. In plants, because the G3P exported from the Calvin cycle has 3 carbon atoms, it takes 3 turns of the Calvin cycle to fix enough net carbon to export 1 G3P. But each turns make 2 G3Ps, thus 3 turns make 6 G3Ps. Some G3P molecules go to make glucose, while others must be recycled to regenerate the RBP acceptor, which enable the system to prepare for more carbon dioxide to be fixed. Oh yeah, ATP is also used in the regeneration of RBP. Fourth and final step in the Calvin cycle of photosynthesis, product synthesis, where energy and sugar interact to form the molecule RBP, allowing the cycle to start again. One from G3P molecules are used to make glucose and can be converted to starch, cellulose, or other carbohydrate. In summary, it takes 6 turns of the Calvin cycle to fix 6 carbon atoms from carbon dioxide. These 6 turns require energy input from 12 ATP molecules and 12 NADPH molecules in the reduction step and 6 ATP molecules in the regeneration step. Thank you for being here today. I really appreciate that you took the time to be here and listen to my presentation. Thank you.